Today I'm going to replace the ignition switch on this 2005 Chevy Classic. Should be the same procedure for the Chevy Malibu. Here's the part number, you guys happen to need it. Remove this little plastic. This goes around the ignition lock cylinder. Move the shifter all the way to the back. Remove this plastic cover. Disconnect the cigarette lighter like that. Remove the radio. 7mm screws. Remove the ignition lock cylinder. In order to remove it, you guys gonna have to put it on the on position, and there inside gonna be a pin that you guys need to push. I'm gonna use this pick to push the pin. Probably you guys not gonna be able to see it, but I'll show you as soon as I take it out. This is the pin that you guys need to push in. Remove those two 10mm bolts. Move the ignition switch so you can get it out through the radio compartment. Remove the immobilizer connector. Then you guys gonna have to disconnect the shifter cable. There is a pin that you guys need to push to release it. This is the shifter cable. After that, there is two wire harness connectors. This black and this white. I'm gonna use the pick again to push the clip and release it like that. This is the ignition switch right here. It's a protector. Remove it, and they look the same. Reconnect the white and black connectors. Reconnect the shifter cable. Reconnect the immobilizer. Put the ignition switch back in place. Two 10mm bolts. Install the ignition lock cylinder. Seven 7mm screws.